Models used for 3D printing often come from a variety of sources and need to be converted into an accurate and error-free mesh prior to slicing. And while it seems like this should be a relatively minor part of the process, file translation and mesh repair can often consume a significant amount of time and manual effort. Netfabb includes professional tools for both model import and mesh repair, helping you get through this critical first step quickly. When it comes to file handling, many print preparation tools only offer Stl Import as a standard option. In addition to Stl, Netfabb comes standard with the ability to import universal file formats like STEP and IGES, along with native files from the most commonly used CAD applications. You can also import multiple files at once, eliminating repetitive effort and getting the necessary models into your project. Converting solid models into a mesh usually involves a trade-off. A high-resolution mesh is needed to get the right amount of detail during slicing, but can slow down print prep activities that require analyzing the mesh. With Netfabb, solid models can be imported directly into the project so the mesh can be recalculated at any point. So the right resolution can be used to speed up preparation activities and then updated to ensure a high-fidelity print. Finally, mesh errors are a common occurrence during the import and translation process. Netfabb evaluates every model brought in to determine if there are any errors present, and correcting these problems can be handled quickly using one of the default repair scripts. In addition to the repair scripts, there's a full suite of manual repair tools available for correcting any especially problematic issues with the model. With both STL and native file import, batch import, solid model-based retessellation, and automated repair tools, Netfabb has the professional tools you need to prep any model thrown your way.